Alright, today we're going to bring a bird feeder, but this one has a security camera and a camera to watch your actual birds with an AI interactive features that it has included with it. Now, this whole system is very simple. You got to mount this part in. This is metal, made of metal, hardcore metal that's going to hold the whole entire base. They give you straps in case you want to just wrap it up instead of actually tie down. I like that they will give you a screwdriver, the actual screws, and the antenna, because this is a 2.4 hertz antenna that you're going to require to actually watch your birds, and you do need Wi-Fi, of course, like I said, you know. Now, the camera is embedded in here, but you could actually push it up or down. Also included, if you want to add your own memory card, you can do that here, or you can pay the cloud services. Right now, we're going to go ahead and start it up and set this whole thing up. But first, you want to activate the actual camera before you actually mount it. And once you set this up, it's a set and forget, and it has a rotationable top. If you guys can see that, the top is made of a solar panel, so it's hidden from view. And we want to see what kind of birds we have, but also they also included this accessory that has for different types of bird, even hummingbirds too, and a honey well. And if you want to add real fruit, you can do that too. I do have an extra power source, so I plug both of them in. I plug that one in, and now I fill it up with actually seeds. And now it's the waiting game to make sure that we see them coming up. All right, so here we have the bird house. Right now, we're gonna take a look at it. The camera itself, we're gonna see some of the features. It has motion detected. It has it has an alarm system, sleep mode. You can push to talk to on the other side in case you want to talk to whoever's been in your backyard. Now, the great thing about this whole entire thing is that you can actually email yourself and have a notification when there's movement in here. All right, so it has a lot of great features on it. If you want to see your past stuff, you just hit the little envelope. It shows you all the movements, everything, all the bird, and it goes by calendar too. So, and like I said, if you have a memory card in there, you go pretty much save throughout months, right? Depending on the size of your card. So this is a great feature to have on the actual system, and you can see what kind of birds coming in here and notifications. They have different settings, like it could distinguish what kind of bird is landing on your actual bird feeder because of the AI built in. And like I said, you could save this, or you could share this with other people in your domain. And it's a great fun thing to understand and get to see the birds firsthand from a good perspective of your camera. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.